paths have been martyred. We're getting you the latest updates from Lok Kalyan Marg. Home Minister Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Arun Jaitley, all of them are present, including NSA Ajit Doval as well as Union Minister Sushma Swaraj. So the Prime Minister is currently chairing this meeting. We're expecting, of course, some big developments and some big decisions from this meeting. And right after this, Home Minister Rajnath Singh will be making his way to Jammu and Kashmir as well. We're going across to our reporters on the ground. Joining us is Anuj, who's tracking all the developments at the Prime Minister's residence. Anuj, if you could give us a sense of all the updates you're picking up. Also tell our viewers who's in attendance at the CCS meet.
Well, if we talk about the latest development, then the meeting has already started at the Prime Minister's residence. This is Home Minister Rajnath Singh, who is there in the meeting. This is Arun Jaitley, who has also joined back today. He's also there in the meeting. This is Nirmala Sitharaman, Defence Minister. This is NSA Ajit Doval. This is Sushma Swaraj. So all the top brasses is there in the meeting to decide the future course of action and to look into the matter that what exactly has happened. And let me also remind you that the IB chief has already briefed Home Minister Rajnath Singh before this crucial meeting. IB chief has given all the facts and figures from the ground level to the Home Minister Rajnath Singh, and there now Home Minister Rajnath Singh is briefing Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with the other minister who is there present in the meeting. Nirmala Sitharaman, Defence Minister, is obviously going to be the very important part of this meeting because she will be taking care of all the things now. And yes, Arun Jaitley, seeing the sensitivity of the issue, has also joined back today. Home Secretary being called back. Ajit Doval is there in the meeting. So all the top brasses is there in the meeting, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made it very much clear yesterday only that this sacrifice of the brave soldier is not going to be that much easy this time, because obviously India is going to hit it very hard, and the Indian government has made it very much clear that India is going to hit hard this time, and for that only this particular meeting is going on at Prime Minister's residence. Let me also remind you that after this meeting, Home Minister immediately will be going to Jammu and Kashmir, and there in the valley he will be meeting the governor of J&K, and along with the governor he will be reaching at the spot. And let me also remind you that the NIA team, 12 members of the NIA team has been already moved to the spot, and there they will be doing the investigation, and the forensic team will be there. So all part is taking there, and Prime Minister himself has taken the call and told every top brasses, including every top ministers, that need to be taken very seriously, and every top minister, including Home Minister Rajnath Singh, yes, Sushma Swaraj, including Arun Jaitley, all is keeping a very close eye.
And Anuj, as you get us all those updates coming in from the Prime Minister's residence,